Forex trading, or foreign exchange trading, is the buying and selling of currencies on the foreign exchange market. Here are a few basic steps for beginners interested in starting to trade Forex. Research and choose a reputable Forex broker. Look for a broker that is regulated and has a good reputation in the industry. Open a demo account. Most brokers offer a free demo account that allows you to practice trading with virtual money before you risk your own capital. Learn the basics of Forex trading. Understand the basic concepts of currency pairs, exchange rates, and how the market works. Develop a trading strategy. Determine your goals and risk tolerance, and then develop a strategy that fits with your personality and goals. Begin trading. Once you feel comfortable with your trading strategy, you can start trading with real money. It's important to keep in mind that Forex trading is a high-risk, high-reward activity, and it's important to have realistic expectations and be prepared for the risks involved. It's also important to continue educating yourself and learning about new strategies and market developments.